Hey guys, welcome to Zayna Break Stuff. I'm Zayna, and on my channel we break into, break out, break down, and just straight up break stuff. So if there's a topic you want me to break, let me know in the comments, and please remember to like and subscribe so you can watch my videos every single week. This week I thought it'd be fun to show you guys how to spray paint a planet. It's super simple. You just need a few things. You just need a pair of gloves, a black spray paint, white spray paint, a plastic bag, and a mask, which I'm sure everyone has by now. You'll also need some sort of circular object, and that's all you need, so let's get started. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.